I'm Mike Zima, a digital marketing expert, and this is a remake of my fake marketing video from earlier in the year. A former client, Derek, reached out to me to peer into his Google Analytics and tell him where are these hundreds of page views coming from. So I did, and I found an AWS cluster, meaning this is fake bot traffic. Fake website traffic has been around as long as the internet has been around, because you go into a website and for 50 bucks you get 100,000 visitors to your website, and you felt good about it, but they didn't convert and they didn't do anything because they're bots. They're computers that are just loading your website and giving you another click in your Google Analytics, and that's just plain garbage. So you want to avoid fake website traffic. It doesn't do anything. I was exposed to this when I was 18. I made the bad mistake of buying fake traffic, and I know what that is all about, and I still see this today in the industry. So avoid buying fake traffic. If you want to buy traffic, it's called pay-per-click, Google ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, whatever it may be for your goal. There is a way to market your site right now, and it is not through fake website traffic. Some of the time we get new clients and they've been doing SEO for a while, and we see fake backlinks. This is when somebody is managing your SEO, they do comment spam, they go to low authority websites, they buy backlinks, and they're going to produce garbage results for your SEO campaign. So you're spending your marketing dollars on a campaign that's not producing any sort of results, and you're just going to get burned, and you think SEO is not worth your time and not a worthy channel. If you are going to earn real backlinks, it's going to be from major publications. If you're reading an industry publication or a newspaper every single day and you think your website needs to be there because it matches the content, that's an opportunity to build content. And it takes a long time to build up your press, just like your resume. So the more exposure you get for your brand, the more visibility you get on Google. It's miraculous how that works. If you just build your brand, the results will come. And then fake followers. We get solicited all the time for people that, oh, can you help us with our SEO for our fake follower business? No. We don't, because it's garbage. I'm not helping you. Go help yourself, because you're scamming people out of their money. I'm completely going to avoid your fake marketing business at all costs, and I'm going to discourage any of my clients from buying fake followers. It's not about the amount of followers, it's about the engagement of the followers, and this goes to the next one. If you've ever seen a YouTube video that gets a ton of views and no clicks, well, there's two things that can happen. They're either buying the traffic on Google Ads, or they're paying somebody to load the video and click and like and comment and give it fake engagement. Fake engagement is garbage. It's not going to give you any sort of results. You want to have your followers and your engagement almost mapping together, so you have a good percentage of several percent or more on your engagement of content. If you're not getting any engagement of content, you likely have a bad audience or an inactive audience that is not going to help you. So you're going to have to work from the ground up to reactivate your audience and warm them up by building a trustworthy following. So these are some main fake marketing tactics that we're seeing still deployed by businesses. We're still seeing vendors offering these solutions, and it's completely a waste of money and your time. So avoid at all costs fake website traffic, fake backlinks, fake followers, fake engagement, and by all means, just work on your brand and ignore all this noise, because if you're working on your marketing and you have a hand in your marketing, you have a hand in your success, and that's an important thing to walk away from in this video going into 2020 and the new decade to build your business online.